Do you want to travel to Japan or study abroad to Japan? Then you are very lucky person. Welcome to Teriyaki Daigaku. Teriyaki Daigaku is the university that you can learn about Japan on YouTube. This university offers a wide variety of classes. For example, Japanese language, culture, history, geography, cooking, and so on. And teachers are all native Japanese speakers. If you are studying Japanese, these classes are very good materials for listening skill. Oh, maybe you are worried about money? Don't worry, all classes are free. How to enter Teriyaki Daigaku? It's easy. All you need is subscribe this channel. So if you want to go to Japan with any reason, you should enter Teriyaki Daigaku. We look forward to your enrollment. See you in class.